Can your bank handle your cash? Unveiling the cash deposit mystery with Novo. Ever run into that situation where you have a wad of cash from a garage sale or a side hustle, but depositing it into your bank feels like an impossible mission? We've all been there. Maybe you're a freelancer who gets paid in cash, or perhaps you run a small business that deals heavily in physical currency. Whatever the reason, traditional banks can make depositing cash a huge hassle. So, the question is, can you skip the frustration and deposit cash with your online bank? Today, we're diving deep into this question, specifically focusing on Novo, a popular challenger bank gaining traction with entrepreneurs and freelancers. Can Novo be your cash deposit hero, or are you stuck circling the ATM block forever? Here's the thing, most online banks, including some of the big names, simply don't accept cash deposits. They operate entirely in the digital realm, which means physical bills just don't fit into their system. That can be a major turnoff for people who deal with a lot of cash. But wait, there's a glimmer of hope. Thankfully, the fintech world is constantly evolving, and a new wave of online banks are emerging that cater to the needs of cash-based businesses and individuals. So, how does Novo stack up in this cash deposit battle? Well, buckle up because here's the not-so-great news. Novo, at the moment, does not accept cash deposits. That's right, if you're looking for a way to ditch the ATM and head straight to your online bank with your cash, Novo isn't your guy, yet. But hold on a sec, don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. Even though Novo can't directly accept your cash, there are still ways to work around this hurdle. Let's explore some alternative solutions to get that green paper into your Novo account. Solution 1. Leverage partner banks with cash deposits. Many online banks, including Novo, partner with traditional brick-and-mortar banks. This means you might be able to leverage those partnerships to your advantage. Here's the trick. Check if Novo has partnered with a bank that allows cash deposits. Now, this process might involve a few extra steps. You'll likely need to transfer the cash from the partner bank to your Novo account, which could incur some fees. But, hey, it's a way to get your cash into the online banking system. Here's the catch. Not all partnerships are created equal. Some might have limitations on how much cash you can deposit or how often you can do it. So, before you get too excited, do your research. Check Novo's website or contact their customer support to see if they have any cash deposit partnerships and what the terms and conditions are. Solution 2. Third-party cash deposit services. The fintech world is full of innovative solutions, and cash deposit services are no exception. There are companies out there that specialize in helping people deposit cash into their online bank accounts. These services typically work by allowing you to mail your cash or drop it off at a participating retail location. Of course, these services come with their own set of fees. So, again, research is key. Compare costs, security measures, and turnaround times before choosing a service. Make sure it makes financial sense for the amount of cash you're depositing. Solution 3. Embrace the digital shift, go cashless. This might be a bit of a long shot, but hear us out. Consider if there are ways to transition your business or personal finances away from cash and move towards a more digital approach. For example, could you invoice clients electronically instead of accepting cash payments? Are there apps that allow you to pay vendors or contractors electronically instead of using cash? By reducing your reliance on physical currency, you can eliminate the need to deposit cash altogether. The future of cash deposits with Novo. While Novo doesn't currently accept cash deposits, that doesn't mean it won't be an option in the future. The fintech landscape is constantly evolving, and online banks are always looking for ways to expand their services. So, if having cash deposit capabilities is a deal breaker for you, keep an eye on Novo's development. They might just surprise us down the line. Novo might not be your cash deposit hero today, but with some creative solutions and a sprinkle of patience, you can still make it work for your cash-based needs. Remember, the world of online banking is always changing, so stay tuned for future updates on Novo's cash deposit capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.